Unongelam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee upa Vincent pala menta ka sngi ka sitere unaitung ulaong baka Saiñ Pynthei ha Bengal ka Ïapher bat ka Jylla Meghalaya bat ulaong ru bahapo Meghalaya kalyang persya bat ka sarkar kiatrei naka benta ka jo ka jimonto jong upat ba kat ba kiwei ki Jylla kum ka Bengal kum kata ka jingtnum ulaong ru baka Saiñ Congress ka don ka jingkermen baha ka ni ka election banwan namar hakababun ki kertong kilong kiba dang samla ringkat ka jingmut ka basay bat bankier na ka jingbamsam.
You know, the mentality of Bengal politics is not like Meghalaya. In Meghalaya here, I think, thank God, you have not seen anywhere where the opposition and ruling did not talk, did not work together. I am the president of the party. I still have the chance and meet the president of another party for the public's interest. Whereas in Trinamool Congress, if you see in Bengal or in many other areas, they don't have the liberty to do that. So Meghalaya politics is totally different from West Bengal politics. I think he is talking in line with the West Bengal politics, not in line with what we are there here in Meghalaya. And as you are aware that everybody has left the Congress. For example, all the constituencies, all those 5 who left the Congress last, also we have already promoted like aspirant candidate. So the question of Congress working with BJP doesn't arise because once they join the government and we already suspended them, so that doesn't arise.